too?
Yes, but a long time ago.
What was your job?
I was a nurse and I helped sick people. I was living in Paris with your grandfather. It was wonderful. Every day we ate amazing French food.
Wow. When I grow up, I think I will.
That's right. We use will to talk about the future.
I will be a vet, and I'll help sick animals. I live in Australia with Hero. I'll have a big house, and I'll eat ice cream every day.
Will you really eat ice cream every day?
Yes, every day.
You will be very sick. You won't be able to help sick animals. Instead, they will have to help you.